Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another week of Kit Conspiracy. Today we are bringing back a blast from the past because, to be honest with you, MK and I both have so much of this kit left over that we both need to keep using it. So in order to force ourselves to do that, we are using it for Kit Conspiracy once again. This is the Spectrum Sherbet collection from 49 and Market. So I do have some odds and ends of paper because, you know, I'm not going to throw those away in case I need them for some layering or something. I've got this bit of green. This is the solid lime. And so I'm just going to set those aside. I'm going to show you all the papers that I have still left over, which is a lot, you guys. I'm not going to lie. This is a little daunting because there's so much of it. So I'm going to use as much as I can. So let's go through those real quick and then we will just move on. So I've got this solids called Cotton Candy. I know you guys have seen these papers before if you've been watching, but this is the leftovers. So you don't know what I had left from the last one. Classics Blue Moon. I feel like everything's upside down, you guys. Solids Blue Raspberry, which is very similar to Cotton Candy. This one has a little more yellow in it. There's the flip side. Here's the flip side of the other one. This one has more yellow than this one. So they're like opposites on the opposite side, if that makes any lick of sense. And then I've got a Solids Blueberry. You guys, I don't know why I have not dug into these blues, but there's a lot of blue. And there is the back side. So here are the back sides. So they are varying shades. I do need to use them. That is the plan. I have another solid blueberry. So two of those. Everything's out of order. I should have kind of fixed that before I started, but that's okay. Solid orange. I like that. Solid raspberry. I love that. A solid watermelon. A lighter pink. My assumption is MK is going to have a lot of the warms and I'm going to have a lot of the cools. Since that's what we typically gravitate towards. This is a solid lime. I think these are solids also. Oh, maybe not. Classics. Classics, okay. Maybe that's all the solids that were in there. Okay, a classic limeade, which has all of this cut aparts on the back. We'll see what I use and what I don't use. A classic lemonade. Painted Foundations Kaleidoscope. A classic Brumbleberry. A classic Butterfly Flight. Painted Foundations Prism. And another solid lemon. I don't think I had a lemon, but this is another solid. And then this is the front sheet of the foundations paper and the classics collection. And the back side has cut aparts. So lots of cut aparts that have not been used. And a little bit of the lemon paper. So that's all the paper. Now the embellishments. I have a lot of embellishments, you guys. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought so much. So I still have Tidal Wave acetate leaves. So Tidal Wave is the name of all of the cool colors. And the warm colors are Strawberry Lemonade. So Tidal Wave and Strawberry Lemonade. Still have lots of those. I think I was afraid I was going to run out. And now I just cannot use it up fast enough. I mean, not that I'm trying to use it up fast, but like I cannot seem to get rid of it. This is the Tidal Wave Ephemera Bits, the Strawberry Lemonade Ephemera Bits. And I'm kind of going through this quick because I've showed all these on my channel before, not just once, but twice, because we used this for Kit Conspiracy in the fall, and we used it for the month of February wherever we could. So this is the Spectrum Sherbert Tidal Wave Rub-On Transfer Set that is stuck. And so it's got all of these sheets in it, 6x8 sheets of all of these things. This is the corresponding one in the Strawberry Lemonade set. So all of those transfers. All rub-ons. This is the Palettes Rub-On Transfer set. So you get all these little paint palettes or paint chips. This is the Botanical Rub-On set. And it looks like that. And again, I'm not opening all of these. I'm just showing you what they look like so that the video is not super long. I think this is from the card kit, maybe? Yeah. This is from the card kit. So I have the card kit here. It comes with envelopes. It comes with papers, coordinating papers, and it comes with these 2 sheets. And I have used the front of this and I've cut something out of it so you don't get to see the whole front. There's one of the envelopes that you fold up and make yourself. And there's the corresponding rub-ons for it. And then the rub-ons that are the leaves. And this has both the Strawberry Lemonade and the Tidal Wave in it. It's a combo pack. And you get 3 sheets for each color selection. Okay. And then I've got some of the chipboard words. Now I have used quite a bit out of all of these packs, and so they're not complete by any stretch of the imagination. But as you can see, I still have a lot left. So I'm going to try and use those up. This is the one thing I don't reach for very frequently. As you can tell, I've only used it a few times. But I'm going to try and use those too. These are called Wishing Bubbles and Baubles. Let's see here. I have the Spectrum Sherbert Strawberry Lemonade Laser Cut Elements. It's got all of these florals in it. And I actually have 2 packs, you guys. This is 2 packs in one. So yeah, lots of that in there. Same with this one. I believe there's 2 packs in here also. This is the Tidal Wave ones with all of the leaves and butterflies and florals. Lots of great stuff for layering. This was the 12 by 12 rub-on sheet, so it had strips of rub-ons in the varying colors. Let's see if I can pull out. Here's one of the Tidal Wave ones. This is obviously the Strawberry Lemonade. And it was just one 12 by 12 sheet, and I cut them into strips because that is pretty much how I would use them. I wouldn't use them all on one page. That would be a little bit overkill, I think. And then this one I have to open because the packaging is backwards in it. And I've definitely used some. You can see here I've used these, I've used these, I've used some of the other ones that are on the inside. I think I've used most of these things. They're very delicate looking. You get them in the cool or the warm colors and the cool colors. So I have quite a bit of that left. And that is everything in my Spectrum Sherbert kit. So I'm going to try and do as many layouts as I can for this week using this kit. Hopefully I will have a lot for you, and maybe I'll have some bonus videos. Typically we will post Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Those are the ones we're committed to. But if it's like last week, we'll have lots of extra stuff. So we'll share it then. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.